Hi, I'm Dr. Catherine Clements, the Ecology and Natural Resources Educator here at University of Florida IFAS Extension, Sarasota County. And I'm here today to talk to you about this amazing Explore Your World backpack kit that we have developed in partnership with the Sarasota County Libraries. This kit is perfect for children ages 4 through 12. So you can take your family out in nature, or if you have relatives that are visiting with young children and you're not quite sure what to do with them, go ahead and get one of these backpacks, and it has everything in it all ready to take kids out in nature. You can actually use it indoors as well. We have designed the kit to be used both indoors and outdoors, but we really want you to go outside. Why? Because research has shown that taking kids outside helps to build their confidence. It inspires their creativity and imagination. It teaches responsibility. It gets them moving, and it even reduces stress and fatigue. And it does all of this for adults as well. So let's take a look at what's in our backpack so we can get you guys exploring your world. So one of the first things I want to talk to you about in our backpack is our Explore Your World activity guide. This is your starting point. It has everything in it that you need to know about how to use your backpack, what's in it. It's got some suggestions for areas you can go explore in Sarasota County and how to explore safely, which is really important. And then there are lots of activities that we have developed in this guide. This is a sensory scavenger hunt that you can do anywhere. And then there are all sorts of activities associated with each of the items in the backpack, along with instructions on how to use the item. So here is our Planosphere. This is in your backpack, and it will help you to find out what constellations are in the night sky here in Sarasota County. We also have a magnifying lens for looking at bugs and other cool things close up. We have a compass, which can help you find your way, but you can also figure out what direction you're standing in. We have some very kid-friendly binoculars, and you can take these outdoors to try to see things that are farther away. And let's say you find a bird while you're outside. We have all of these laminated field guides in the backpack. They have great pictures, so you can find a bird with your binoculars and then try to identify which bird you just saw. Or maybe you saw an animal or a plant. You can even take this out to the beach and identify some seashore life. Also, while you're at the beach, another fun item to take with you is the Underwater Explorer boat. This boat has a clear bottom that you can float the boat in the water and look through the bottom and see what is under the water. There's even a magnifying lens right in the bottom of the boat. Super cool. Along with all of these things, we have these nature circles in your backpack. This is a group of all different activities to help you figure out what to do with your family while you're outside. And then maybe when you come in later in the day, you might want to sit down and read a book with your child. We have this wonderful picture book called All the World. And this is a great book to read aloud to your younger children in the family. And if you have older children, also in your backpack is the Heroes of the Environment book, which is true stories of people who are helping to protect our planet. All of these wonderful items are found in the Explore Your World backpack. So where and how do you get this backpack? It's amazing. It's actually free to check out at any Sarasota County library. You may even want to reserve it because they've been so popular. You may need to go onto your library catalog online, reserve a backpack that you can then later pick up at a library of your choice, completely free of charge. So let's talk about what you do once you get your backpack. So now that you have your backpack home with you, unpack all these items, take a look at them, read through your Explore Your World activity guide to decide where you're going to go and how to go outside and explore safely. Grab an adult and head on out to a yard, a park, a sidewalk, or any other green space here in Sarasota County. And don't forget, when you're all done, on the last page of our activity guide, there is a survey we'd like you to do. We'd like to hear from you how you liked our backpack and what you did while you were out. There is a link to the survey, or you can use this QR code to let us know what you thought. And you will be entered into a drawing for one of the items in the backpack. When you're ready to return the backpack, just make sure everything's in good, clean condition. Put it back in the backpack and take it to one of our Sarasota County libraries to drop it off. And while you're there, you might want to pick up one of the other 2 backpacks that our sustainability department has developed. This one is the Family Green Living Kit. And there are all sorts of books and games and activities included in here that help your children to learn about sustainability and becoming a good steward for our planet. We also have a do-it-yourself energy and water audit kit. That one's more for adults. And that will help you determine what energy and water savings you can create around your own home. All right, explorers, I hope you've learned all sorts of fun things today that you can do when you get your backpack. So go check out your Explore Your World backpack, and let's head on out to explore your world from neighborhood to nature. Have a great day.